One of our goals at Circuit Board Medics is to simplify the removal of the circuit boards we service. We are removing the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, on a 2006 Ford Fusion in this video. The Ford Fusion is notorious for ignition coil failure, causing the PCM to fail. This is often indicated by one or more of the following diagnostic trouble codes: P0351, P0352, P0353, P0354, P0355, and P0356. There is no programming required if you are sending your PCM to us for repair. The removal process for this PCM is similar for model years 2006, 2007, and 2008. This video is intended for informational purposes only. Circuit Board Medics is not responsible for any damage incurred while removing these items from your vehicle. The tools needed for removal are a socket wrench with an 8mm and 10mm socket. First, we will remove the metal brace going over the battery. Use the 10mm socket and socket wrench to remove the two bolts holding it down. To loosen the battery cables, switch to an 8mm socket. Once the cables are loose, remove the battery. We will also remove the battery tray to gain access to the PCM. Use a 10mm socket on the front nut and an 8mm socket on the back bolt of the tray. Remove these as well as the clip on the front of the tray and then lift the tray out. You now have access to the PCM. Start by removing the wires clipped into the bracket holding the PCM. Then remove the four 10mm bolts holding the PCM to its bracket. There will be two at the top and two at the bottom. We are only showing removing the top two since the bottom two are out of the camera's view. Once all four bolts are removed, unclip the plugs connected to the PCM. You will pull the gray tabs back to release the plug to pull it out. Once both plugs are removed, the PCM can be slid out of its bracket. You will notice there are two red connector inserts still in the plugs for our PCM. If any of the connector inserts remain in the plugs of your PCM, please remove them and keep the inserts with you when sending your PCM in for repair. They are important for reinstalling to ensure a proper and clean connection. You are now ready to send your PCM to Circuit Board Medics for repair to correct damage caused by faulty ignition coils. Please call us at 1-800-547-2049 or visit www.circuitboardmedics.com to place your order or if you have any questions.